Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to Savage at Kitchen TV. Yeah, man. I don't know, today is a nice day, guys. Outside, it's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. Yeah, man, it's not too cold. But anyways, now my kitchen there. So today, guys, we're gonna deal with some veganism. Yeah, man, we're gonna do some veganism. Today, we're gonna make some butter bean chickpeas meatballs, or chickpeas butter bean meatballs. Yeah, man, that's what we're gonna match up today. That's what we're gonna cook up today. So down here we have we'll be using rather 1 can, yeah, butter bean, 1 can of chickpeas, yeah. Right, so we already open the tins, and here we have our butter bean and our chickpeas in this container here. That's our butter bean and our chickpeas. And on my chopping board I've got some red onion, some coriander and some bell pepper, red bell pepper, you can see there. Yeah, man, so that is it. And over here we have some breadcrumbs. Yeah, man, we have a breadcrumbs over there, well seasoned up and thing. So stay tuned. Yeah, so we're gonna get this thing in our little food processor. As soon as we finish doing that, we'll show that to you. Yeah, so as I said before, stay tuned. Soon come. Yeah, man, we'll get everything blissed up. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna get our red onion in our mixture as well. Coriander, we're gonna get it in. And then some chopped red pepper, we're gonna get it in as well. So we're gonna continue the mixing process, guys. So stay tuned, soon come. So alright, guys, we're making up our little meatballs and we're gonna get them done in the air fryer. So that's one. Yeah. So we're gonna continue making them into little balls like so, and then get them in the breadcrumbs like so. Yeah, that is it. So that's what we'll be doing, guys. And then we're gonna get them, leave them to bake, and then get some. Then we I think well, I'm gonna prepare some gravy as well. So you will see all of that. So just stay tuned. Soon come. Yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna check meatballs. Just gonna turn them over like so. Yeah, wow, coming on nicely. A couple more minutes, and a couple more minutes and we're good. Couple more minutes. So I'm gonna give them a few more minutes. Got these ones. Oh, okay. Okay, these ones are ready. Right. So you guys, they're coming on nicely, as you can see. So well, look at, yeah, man, that is it, man. So just give them another minute or so. Okay, guys, we're gonna check on our chickpeas and butter bean meatballs. Well, like they're ready, guys. Like they're ready. They are ready. So I'm gonna start taking them out. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get them out of the air fryer. So that is right. So those are our meatballs. So I'm gonna pick. So right now I'm gonna share some food, guys. So stick and stay, soon come. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Yeah, I've got some bulgur rice with some mixed vegetable on the side, along with our chickpeas and butter bean meatballs. And over there we have some carrot strip and some broccoli on the side. Yeah man, that is it, man. That is it. One plate of goodness. So right about now, we're gonna dive in. Yeah man, we're gonna dive into it, guys. Yeah. Have a look. Yeah man, that's the bulgur rice with some mixed vegetable. It's really, really, really delicious. I can't tell you that for free. Yeah. So this is a lovely plate of vegan food. Yeah man, there's a few who into veganism. Yeah man, this is a lovely plate of vegan food, and I'm gonna enjoy it. Can't tell you that for free. Yeah man, I'm gonna enjoy this. So alright guys, we are going out now, yeah? Okay, now what's going on? Yeah man. Alright. Show you the plate of goodness again. Yeah, the bulgur rice. This is it. This is the moment of truth. But you don't know, you know, in the kitchen, you don't know everything always, yeah, I mean, palatable, always delicious. Yeah, I mean, that is it, man. Yeah, man. Bulgur rice tastes good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes really good. But let me try these chickpeas and butter bean meatballs. Wow. Wow. This is good. So delicious. Wow. So, finished cooking, so might as well take a bit off. Enjoy. Enjoy my dinner. So good. Guys, this is so tasty. Chickpeas and butter bean meatballs. They're so tasty. So delicious. So I'm gonna have to do this all over again, guys, to be honest. Because I'm telling you, I almost bite my tongue. Because you know when you're enjoying something. I wonder, you understand what I'm saying though? I must bite my tongue, man. The food is so sweet, so sweet. Oh my days. Wow. I'm gonna try some of the broccoli, guys. Guys, the hot kitchen done it again. I'm telling you. The hot kitchen done it again. So good, guys. So delicious. So tasty. Yeah, man. So guys, if you're into veganism, you can go ahead and give this a try. Because I'm telling you for free now. I'm telling you for free. It is so tasty, so delicious. Right? This is insane, guys. This is insane. It's amazing. Wow. This is just amazing. It is just a fantastic plate of food. Anyway, guys, I'm going to stop the talking and I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Yeah, man, I'm going to sit down properly and enjoy my dinner. So, in the meantime, what I want you to do for me, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead now. Yeah, man, go ahead and do something. Yeah, man. And make sure, guys, you like up the video, share the video, share it with your friends and your family members. Yeah, man, tell them the hot kitchen is in town. Yeah, man, around here. Catch you another one. Peace out. I'm going to enjoy my meal right about now. Yeah, man. I don't want to bite my tongue. Yes? You understand? We're on here, man. So stay tuned for more videos like this, guys. I'm telling you, so tasty, so delicious. Yeah? Catch you another one. We're out.